a simple, not to mention a more convenient way for you guys out there to earn more commission and again further boost your earning potential. By promoting the GearBest app, you're enabling shoppers to access offers exclusively available only through the GearBest app. So before we talk about the benefits of actually promoting the app across different methods, which we will cover in this video, let me show you exactly how to get to the app promoting system. Now go ahead and log on to the GearBest Associate website with your credentials, and once you're actually logged in, navigate over to the Ad Center, and right across on the far right hand side you will see the app promotion. Click on that tab and it will allow you to see the app promotion guide and the app exclusive price products. Those are the two things that we will be looking at in this video. So before I show you guys exactly how to actually utilize it, let me cover why you should promote the GearBest app. So topic number one, higher conversion rate by promoting the app, only promotions or products. What this basically means is, as we enter into an era where online shopping or app shopping is an inevitable trend, customers prefer it as a more convenient and a simple way to shop. Moving on to the next one, get maximum sales exposure by cross-promoting between desktop, mobile and the app platforms. Number 3, you can exceed your customers' expectations. The app's much more easier, friendly mobile experience will lead to much more higher conversion rates because the products that you're promoting have a bigger discount and are more competitively priced overall. And all of the other 3 lead to this one point, effectively boost your overall sales as app deals offer a bigger discount. So now that you guys know a little bit more about why you should promote the GearBest app, let me show you 2 methods on how to achieve this, starting off with method number 1, app downloads. So number 1 is to promote app downloads via a banner ad for your Winks, your WordPress blog or any kind of social media site. To get this banner, click on get banner code and it will pop up with this screen. Here you have access to language from English, German, Italian, French, Portuguese, Russian and French. Below that you can select a banner size that is suitable for your website's HTML editor or your website's format. On the right hand side a small preview is generated so you guys get an idea of what kind of banner you are generating. Below that it is a HTML code. All you have to do, once you're happy with the banner, click copy the code. Once you actually head over and click it, it's already copied it. Now you need to head over to your actual website, especially your website editor. Type in an engaging post title to encourage shoppers to actually click on the banner. You could type in something like GearBest app only offers. Once you've got that, open up your HTML editor and copy and paste that code that you previously copied and press update, and it will generate the banner, and then you can continue to write your article to encourage people to click on that banner. And for example, if you don't have a website, after you've generated this banner code, you can take this section of the banner code and just post it over to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, any kind of social media site, and then you can promote that way. With your ID number at the end of this, we can still track and pay you your commission. So that was method number 1. So let's take a look at method number 2 in detail. You can promote via text link, or on this screen click over the tab to image link. We're going to process this right now. First thing you want to do is go over to the URL where the image is available, copy that URL and paste it, paste the actual URL link for the product, go ahead and give it a name, something as a reference point for you to refer back to. In the link text you can type in whatever you want, up to 150 characters, and once you're happy just hit confirm. Now that was promoting via an image link. Now to create a text link through the same system, you click over onto text link, copy m.gearbest.com as the actual site, and then name your link. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and create link, and your task is pretty much complete right here. Now something very important guys to note is that you might not want to track a link every single time. You might just be sharing a link with a friend. Now for example, if you don't want to track the link, just add the following. Just ensure that the word app is in block capitals. For example, here is a link that is not being tracked. That link address ends with HTML. For example, if you want to track it, then using your tracking code, your specific tracking code only related to you. For example, this could be 3343434. At the end of this URL where HTML ends, just add the following: !channel equals app and LKID equals, and then your actual tracking code. That link will now be tracked. One other thing to note is, if there is a cross-platform situation, it may not always be possible to track that link. Same as before, you can batch add links for both text and image links. You can download the file, and you can also choose a file and upload it onto the site. And finally guys, there is one other thing. Head over to the Ad Center. Under the App Promotion tab, you'll see App Exclusive Deals and Offers. These are low value products that have a high rate of conversion. So there you have it, affiliates, another fantastic way to boost your online earning potential. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, or maybe require some help, then feel free to get in contact with us. You can email us at gap@gearbest.com. We wish you all the best and good luck.